Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel if you enjoy what we deliver here. So in today's video, I just want to show you how to add cuts and end screens to your videos. So when you're on YouTube, the first thing you want to do is go to YouTube Studio. You go to YouTube Studio. Once you're on YouTube Studio, this is how it will look. So you want to go to content. You move from the dashboard to content. And on content, this is the video that I want to edit. And the moment you just start moving your cursor, you see those small icons. So I'll go on this pencil like icon. I'll tap on it, and that will allow me to edit my videos. So this is the video that I want to add. It's already uploaded it on my smartphone. I haven't published the video yet. It's still private. So what I'm basically doing, I'm just scrolling from up right. So you scroll down under that video. I'm here to do everything. I think in another video I'll show you how I upload my videos. So you continue scrolling until you see end screen subtitle, end screen end cards. So you go to end cards. If you want to start with that, you can start with any. It's interchangeably. So once you are on this screen, you have different templates on how you want your end card to look like. So you can choose from those 6. So you can either go with a video, a playlist, and a subscribe button. You can go with a video and a playlist, or whichever one suits you. I think I'll add a video, a playlist, and a subscribe button. So when you look down here, you see this is 1825, 30, 35, and so forth. So if you want it, sometimes it's not good to put them too early, because the moment viewers start seeing this, they leave out the video while you're still talking. But before we do that, let me start by choosing the playlist. So I'll tap on that playlist template, then I'll go and choose which playlist will I add. And this video is all about the ugly truth about business. So I think I'll go with the solopreneur playlist, because it's where I talk about business and stuff. And then on videos, I'll tap on that, and then I can either choose the most recent video. I'll do that if the last video was related to this video, but it's not. You can also, it can also automatically choose for you the best viewed video, but I also don't want that, so I'll choose a specific video. So there's a specific video that I want to choose, and it's about the life update on how I've gained a new skill. So basically here, these are movable. You can move them up and down, but I think I'll just leave them down like so, because of my position. My head is right there, so if I move it up there, it will cover my face. So I'm still talking to you guys, so yeah, I think I'll just leave it there. And then, like I was saying earlier, you can decide to move these at least to 35. But if you're okay with having them a bit earlier, it's really up to you. So I just want them to be a bit at the end, basically. So once you're done, you go on save. Okay, there we have it, it's saved. Then we want to add cards as well. Cards are videos or playlists that you usually see like in the corners of as you are watching the video on YouTube, and those are just to help you reference, you know, the next video. You'll hear YouTubers saying, no, check out this video, and then you'll see the video popping up in the corner. Or sometimes they don't tell you that, you just randomly see they'll be popping up videos there. So we're gonna add a video. So right now this video is about business, so I can just go ahead and add anything that is related to business. I choose that video. You see, this is what I was talking about. That's how you'll see the video, it will appear there. So I don't want my videos right at the beginning of the video, so I can just decide to, it's draggable, so you drop it wherever. But if you know there's a video specifically that you are referring your viewers to, then you have to play your video here. You have to preview the video so that you are precise as to where you want to add that specific video that you are referencing to. Okay, so you can customize, you can write the text here, a teaser, and so forth. So you can also go ahead and add another card. There are different cards that you can add. I forgot to mention earlier. It could be a video, a playlist, a channel, or a link, but at this point I'm eligible. I'm not eligible yet, so I can only add these three. So what I've seen with my experience, every time I put playlists don't perform as good as videos, so I'll go ahead to video again and add another video. So I'll just tap on the video and this will come. So I can choose from my own videos or any other YouTuber's video. Okay, so if I want to go to any YouTuber's video, I'll just tap here and then it automatically takes me there. I just search that YouTuber or that specific video and then choose it. But for now we're sticking to our own because we want to keep viewers on our channel and get more views. So another video that I can add is this one. And then be careful also not to be adding videos too close. Sometimes it can annoy viewers, so you can put gaps or give them spaces. And cards are good because in case viewers are not enjoying what you are giving them in this specific video, then they can just simply click or opt out to go and watch that specific video before they can go ahead and enjoy or finish your current video. So if it's boring, you give them a chance to go and watch other things so that they don't completely leave your channel. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and add all these videos. You can add as much as you want, but for me maximum is 5. So yeah, in this one I think I'll just add 4, then I'll tap on save. Like that, you have saved your end cards and your end screens and your end cards. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in my next one.